In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Vacation Responder Gmail. If you've been away and set an automatic out-of-office reply, turning it off is quick and easy on the Gmail website. I'll walk you through the standard method inside settings, and I'll also show you a faster way you can use when Gmail shows a banner at the top of your inbox. This guide focuses on Gmail in a desktop or laptop web browser. Start by opening Gmail in your browser. Once your inbox is visible, look to the top right and click the gear icon, also known as Settings. A quick Settings panel will open on the right side. In that panel, click See All Settings to open the full settings page. By default, you'll land on the General tab, which is where most everyday email preferences live. Scroll down through the options until you find the section labeled Vacation Responder. This is the control that manages automatic replies when you're out. In that section, select Vacation Responder Off. This tells Gmail to stop sending any automatic out-of-office emails. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This last click is important. If you navigate away without saving, your previous setting stays in place. After saving, Gmail immediately stops sending auto-replies, so new messages will arrive without an automatic response going back to the sender. There's also a quicker option when your Vacation Responder is currently active. Look at the top of your inbox for a banner that mentions your vacation message, usually showing the subject line you set. On the right side of that banner, you'll see an End Now button. Click End Now, and Gmail will turn off the Vacation Responder instantly without opening settings. This is perfect if you've just returned and want to shut it off in one click. If you don't see the banner, it likely means the Vacation Responder is already off, or you've dismissed the banner earlier. Use the Settings method instead. And if you don't see the Vacation Responder section, make sure you're still on the General tab. Remember, the Save Changes button confirms everything, so don't skip it. That's it. You've successfully turned off Gmail's Vacation Responder. You can always come back to the same place later to turn it on again when you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your inbox back to normal.